Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss, so let's jump right into it. Problem. So the problem we are facing is that we are using a Kubernetes cluster that currently doesn't have internet connection. However, we want to set it up in a way that we can receive alerts on our Telegram from this cluster. Sounds like a bit of a pickle, right? Solution. To tackle this issue, we need to make some configurations to ensure that our pods use the proxy settings. In order to do that, we will need to add some specific entries to our pod configuration. By setting the environment variables http_proxy, https_proxy, and no_proxy with the values of our proxy server and cluster domain, we can make sure that the pod will route its traffic through the proxy and exclude internal cluster communication. Remember, it's crucial to customize the values of the proxy server, proxy port, and cluster domain according to your setup. Once you make these changes in the pod configuration, don't forget to restart the pod to apply the new settings. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should now be able to receive alerts on your Telegram from your Kubernetes cluster, even without direct internet connection. Pretty neat, right? Well, that's all for today, folks. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. Until next time, happy clustering.